including a duck tour that we purchased through the Go City pass, 4-day pass that we purchased. So this attraction is also included. So it first starts on land and then it goes on to the water, and it gives us a tour of the attractions that are down at the marina. So,
and it's about a 1-hour tour as well.
So let's go have some fun.
PM, 8 PM to 9 PM. But sorry, ticket sold out. But if you want to watch, you can along the road. You'll be able to see. There will be a parade, and there will be some floats. 1.5 hours. You can come and watch. Yeah. But you don't stand here. You go and stand the other side. You'll be able to see. Okay, safety instructions. Later we are going down the river. It's a slope. So when we are going down, the two of you, so you can hold on to the bar there, and ma'am, you hold on to the seat. Okay, I don't want you to slide forward. Okay? In case of emergency, the captain will instruct us to put on the life vest, which is under your seat. All you have to do, pick it up, put it over your head, and buckle accordingly. Those with children, attend to yourself first, and then put it on to your children. Okay, here we are. Are you all ready for the splash? Yeah! Okay, Captain, let's go! Here we go! Yeah! Okay, the first thing I want you all to see, on the left-hand side, that you'll see a big dome there. See a big dome? That is our National Stadium of Singapore. Built at a cost of 1.3 billion Singapore dollars. It has got the world's largest dome. The roof is retractable, can open and close. Seating capacity 55,000 people. Major sporting events like athletics, soccer, rugby, musical events usually held in this stadium. Okay, now let's talk something about our housing in Singapore. In Singapore, we have two types of housing. What you see on your left, these are private housing. Private. Apartments like this, we call it condominiums. And then we have landed properties like semi-detached houses, terrace houses, bungalows, villas, and so on. The other one is known as HDB, Housing Development Board, subsidized by the government of Singapore only for Singaporeans. 80% of Singaporeans live in HDB flats. The rest of the 20%, the slightly well-to-do, they live in private housing like this. If you want to buy a unit here like this, 150 square meters, you have to pay at least 7 to 8 million Singapore dollars. Because this is in the central business district, something like in London. Okay? If you go to the outskirts, cheaper, right? So the price is very expensive. The same floor area, if you go to the outskirts of Singapore, you pay about 3 to 4 million Singapore dollars. And HDB, you pay about 700 to 800,000 Singapore dollars. That's the difference. 80% live in HDB, 20% in the houses. Okay, now take a look on the right hand side. This is the Formula One Grand Prix big building. F1. Today, as I mentioned, there is a Chinggay Festival. That is why they are preparing for the Chinggay Festival. This is something like what you have in Silverstone. Okay, this is our version. So after tonight's event, all these will be removed and you will be able to see the big building. This year, the race will be held in September 15, 16, 17. The building you see there, right below is the pit stop. There are 36 garages there. So, once all these things are removed, you'll be able to see the pit building. But during the Formula One race, if you are traveling here, you cannot see the building. There will be a different grandstand built here. All the way from there, you won't be able to see the building at all. Okay, next you see the giant observation wheel there. We call it the Singapore Flyer. The London Eye. Okay? The London Eye was built long ago. Okay? Built at a height of 165 meters tall. There are 28 cabins. Each cabin can take 28 people. Per revolution, 30 minutes. On a clear sunny day, when you are right on top, you will be able to see our neighboring countries like Malaysia and Indonesia. Malaysia, you can see Johor Bahru. Indonesia, you can see Batam. Okay, now take a look. You see where my hand is pointing? And you see some gates there. The sea is over the other side. The sea. The 9 glass gates there prevent the salt water from getting in. This place used to be a very dirty river in the olden days. Very dirty. Salt water, human waste, everything used to be here. It was our Prime Minister, Mr. Lee Kuan Yew. It was his idea to transform this into a reservoir. So it took us 2 years to flush out the water. 2 years. Every time it rains, we keep flushing out. Now what you get here is only rain water. No more salt. Only rain water. This is the water we drink. Of course, it goes through a series of desalination before it goes into our taps. Okay, the floats you see there in the middle, those are the fireworks display for tonight. Tonight there will be, for the Chinggay Festival, the fireworks display will be from that, the floats there. All explosives. Okay, matter of time, it will start to fill up. Hopefully the rain should stop by the time. But it has been raining since morning. Okay, now we have Gardens by the Bay. Built on a floor area of 54 hectares and at a cost of 1 billion Singapore dollars. This is something like your Kew Gardens. Yeah? The 2 conservatories you see there, the smaller one is a flower dome. There are plants, flowers and trees from all over the world except the Antarcticas. The higher one is known as a cloud forest. If you go inside there, it will be as though you are going up a mountain 3,000 meters above sea level. We even have a man-made waterfall which is the tallest in the world. The steel structures are known as super trees. They are 18 super trees within the garden, ranging from 25 to 50 meters in height. Basically, it is used to collect rainwater for the cooling system of the two conservatories and watering of the plants, flowers, and trees within the garden. Every night at 7:45 and 8:45, there will be a light show. Okay, if you want to go on the skywalk, you'll have to buy a ticket. I mean, from one tree to another. You want to go into the two conservatories, you need a ticket. Okay, for those of you who have not been on the flyer and Gardens by the Bay, you can buy your ticket from the counter. They will give you a 10% discount because you have bought a ticket for this. And you will be given a free bus ride either to the flyer or Gardens by the Bay. Flyer timing 2 p.m. to 10 p.m. Last ride 9:30. Gardens by the Bay, if you tend to go, my advice, go there at about 3 to 4 p.m. Go there, you walk around, cover everything, wait for the light show, and then you go back. Don't go there in the morning, you miss the light show. Okay? So the best time will be 3 to 4, cover everything, wait for the light show at 7:45, go back. Okay, now take a look on the right hand side. This is our floating stadium. We call it the float. In 2010, the inaugural Youth Olympic Games opening ceremony was held in this stadium. Our National Day Parade, which falls on the 9th of August, used to be held in this stadium. Okay, I got a question for all of you. Take a look at the seats there. I want you to make a guess. How many seats do you think there are in this stadium? Make a guess. Huh? 10,000. 10,000. Huh? How many? 25,000. Competition held every year. 2,000 people will participate. My question. How many minutes will a person take to run from the ground floor to the 73rd floor? 1.5 hours. Okay. Huh? 58 minutes. Okay. Huh? 40. 15. Yes. 80. Okay, come on. 1 hour, 15 minutes. Canada. 30 minutes.
30 minutes.
30 minutes. Singapore.
Good job.
45.
47.
41.
I think I passed. I think
58. Okay. It was won by a German. And his best time taken was 6 minutes, 48 seconds. They are all professionals, not people like you and me. They are all professionals. Okay, they train very, very hard. Okay, now take a look on the right. You see a spaceship there. Can you all see a spaceship and a green dome? That is the Supreme Court of Singapore, the spaceship. Okay, now to your right. What do you call this? Anybody can tell me? Quick. What? Huh? What? Merlion. Okay, you got it. Merlion. It has got the head of a lion, body and tail of a fish. Singapore used to be a fishing village. So they used the body and tail. As for the head of the lion, the first time Singapore was founded, they claimed that they saw a lion here. They put portraits of Sir Stanford Raffles. While passing through the island, he walked over the island. It became a British colony. Singapore used to be a British colony. Okay? Until 1965, Singapore got its independence. We are now independent. right, you might want to take the photograph. You might want to take the photograph of the Merlion.
We're not gonna let.